Hi, are you looking to have your cell phone, iPhone, iPad, or another mobile electronic device repaired? Our experience makes all the difference. Give us a call. We have helped countless customers get their iPod, iPad, iPhone, smartphones, and many other kinds of electronics fixed quickly and inexpensively as possible. Our cell phone repair experts are local and offer a full-service repair facility. Our technicians are the best in the business. We will make sure you are fully satisfied with your device for years to come. Call us today.